It is back to class time for several school districts in Northern Virginia, but Maryland's largest school system doesn't go back for more than 3 weeks. And in just over 2 hours, some parents in Montgomery County will head to court in a battle over the curriculum. Jess Arnold joins us outside the district court in Greenbelt. And Jess, this is all over LGBTQIA plus books in schools.
Yeah, some parents want to be able to opt their kids out of reading some of those books because of their religious beliefs. Montgomery County Public Schools have gotten rid of that opt-out policy earlier this year. So some of those parents who are going to be in court today, they're going to start rallying outside of the courthouse here at 8 a.m. The hearing inside starts at 10 a.m. Now, as we've been talking about, this all stems from Montgomery County Public Schools getting rid of that option for parents to say that they do not want their children to read books containing LGBTQ plus content or something that conflicts with their religious beliefs. And that happened earlier this year in March is when parents say they had received that email. A coalition of families have been holding regular rallies outside school board meetings to change that ever since. Some even filed a lawsuit that we're talking about against the school system, which is the largest in Maryland, to allow them the choice to opt their child out of reading those books. And they're citing one Maryland law in doing that. Now, in the district's filing, it said they couldn't accommodate the growing number of opt-out requests and that diversifying elementary curriculum helps students develop empathy. There's no date set for a trial yet, which is why families want the judge to say today that parents can opt out of MCPS's curriculum as they wait for one. Now, families who support requiring students to read LGBTQ plus inclusive books say it's important to offer diverse perspectives, regardless of your religious beliefs. Here's what parents on both sides had to say at past rallies.
We love everyone, we respect everyone, but we would appreciate if, since because we don't impose our policies and our rights to them, I believe that they shouldn't impose theirs on us.
Research shows that kids perform best when they feel valued, included, understood, and welcomed in the classroom. And that's why it's really important for everyone to be exposed to everybody.
Families who support LGBTQ plus inclusive curriculums are also going to be rallying outside of the courthouse here today, so we should see representation from both sides. And when it comes back to class, MCPS students are headed back into their schools on August 28th, so that is coming up as well. In Greenbelt, Jess Arnold, WUSA 9. We'll send it out to you, Marcella.